The F-35B Lightning II is a fifth-generation stealth fighter developed by Lockheed Martin. It is the short takeoff and vertical landing (STOVL) variant of the F-35 family, designed primarily for the U.S. Marine Corps and allied nations. One of the most unique features of the F-35B is its ability to take off from short runways and land vertically. This capability allows it to operate from amphibious assault ships, remote bases, and other locations where conventional fighters cannot operate. The aircraft is powered by the powerful Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine. Combined with a lift fan located behind the cockpit, the system generates enough vertical thrust to enable hovering and vertical landings. Unlike older VTOL aircraft, the F-35B combines stealth technology with STOVL capability. This makes it the first supersonic stealth fighter capable of vertical landings while maintaining advanced combat performance. The fighter can reach speeds of up to Mach 1.6, allowing it to rapidly respond to threats and support military operations across large distances. Stealth is one of the aircraft's greatest strengths. Its low radar signature helps it avoid detection by enemy radar systems, increasing survivability during combat missions. The F-35B is equipped with advanced sensors that collect and combine information from multiple sources. This sensor fusion gives pilots a clear picture of the battlefield in real time. Its sophisticated AESA radar can detect and track multiple targets simultaneously. The aircraft can engage both air and ground threats while remaining difficult to detect. The fighter carries a variety of weapons, including AIM-120 AMRAAM air-to-air missiles and precision-guided bombs. Internal weapon bays help preserve its stealth characteristics during missions. Another advanced feature is the pilot's helmet-mounted display system. Critical flight and combat information is projected directly onto the visor, eliminating the need for a traditional head-up display. The F-35B is operated by several nations, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Italy, and Japan. Its ability to operate from small ships and austere bases makes it highly valuable for expeditionary operations. Today, the F-35B is considered one of the most advanced multi-role fighters in the world. By combining stealth, sensor fusion, supersonic speed, and vertical landing capability, it provides a unique advantage on the modern battlefield.